Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Navratri is here and so is the fasting season. So today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe made with Sabudana and Samo, which is Vrat Ka Dosa. So the first step is to take 1 cup of Samo and half a cup of Sabudana, wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for around 5 hours. As you can see, it's nicely soaked for around 5 hours. And now I'm going to drain out all this water. Get rid of all the water. Let's add this in the grinder now. Just to flavor this a bit, I'm going to add in 8 to 10 curry leaves, half a teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli paste, salt to taste. And now let's grind this into a smooth paste. Make sure it's a very smooth paste. This is done. Let's remove this in a bowl. The batter has to be the same consistency as the dosa batter, so we'll need to add some water now. This is the consistency I need, and just to give the dosa a slight golden color, what is going to help is adding a dash of sugar into this. So that is my secret. I add around a tablespoon of powdered sugar. Mix it well. Let's keep this aside, and I've kept a pan to heat here. It's nice and hot. I'm going to get it off the flame. Bring down the temperature a little bit by just wiping it with a wet cloth. And now let's spread the dosa batter. Take a spoonful of the batter and rotate your spoon and spread the dosa on the pan. Let's place it back on the flame and let it cook on high heat. Once the batter dries out a bit, just sprinkle a few drops of ghee. Once you start getting these brown spots, get it off the pan. So in this way, you can make all the dosas, and I'm sure you can try a little different recipe this time for Navratri. Do try this recipe at home, comment below, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.